So we've been putting a few miles on this thing. I didn't get to really drive it much this week. I've been real busy at work. So even in the evenings, and it's starting to get dark now pretty early. So it's not really conducive to getting after work rides in. That coupled with the fact that there's millions of deer out there in the cornfields and the woods just waiting to jump out in front of you, because now, after 6 o'clock, it's like getting close to dusk. So they're very active. So it's a little, I am really afraid of that. I mean, I've hit so many deer with my truck and my Volkswagen that, hitting a deer with this would be really, really, really bad. So I don't like to go out when I know they're active. But last Sunday, we actually took some really long drives with it. And here in southern York County, when you do that and you're just winging it and, navigating by the seat of your pants, you end up... you inevitably end up on a dirt or stone road. So, I mean, I'm sure the camera's not really picking it up right now, but it is filthy. I mean, completely filthy. There's like dirt all over the rear bumper and under the rear spoiler. There's bugs splatter all over the front of the car and the windshield. There's a healthy coating of dust all over it, mostly noticeable below the belt line there. But hey, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Magnus Walker's saying of dirt don't slow you down. So I don't really concentrate on washing it that much, but I love driving it. It's really awesome. So last weekend, I started noticing, after driving it for a while, I'd get this burning smell, and I thought, well, we're being pretty hard on it, so the exhaust system's getting pretty hot, so it's probably just close to something that I didn't realize was, something that would smell when it got really hot. So I didn't really worry about it too much, and then last night, I had it out for a drive, and I got it back home here, and I got it in the garage, and I could smell it again. So I'm like sniffing around and stuff. And then I took a look under the car, and what I saw was this hanging down from the tunnel on the exhaust pipe. So this is part of a melted bag. So hopefully, we'll get the rest of that out of there, or hopefully it's already gone. I don't know, but yeah, yuck. Might get to take it for a ride tomorrow morning, because there's no Formula One races this weekend, and it's nice and cool out. It's not blazing hot, and it's going to rain in the afternoon, I think. So we'll take it out tomorrow morning and take a ride.